So continuing the prepping now for the Western Beach race, we are now about to fit an oversized tank onto this 450 SXF. So I'll unbox it now and let's have a little look. There's different bolts, so all the bolts were put into the slots so you know exactly where they to go. And so first of all, we're going to rip the seat off, disconnect the fuel pump. So this is where the fuel pump is. So we've got to rip these screws out here, and also we've got to take the pipes off on the bottom. 1, 2. So let's whip them off. So we got one 17mm, and I believe that's a 14mm. Probably a 13mm. Like so. And now we've got to take the 4 bolts out the bottom. And this now pushes up, and this is how we get the fuel pump out. Like so. This is the fuel pump, and this got a filter which is nice and clean, and basically that is it. So now we're going to put these back on here because we are not using these because we got different ones. So there we have it. That's going to go in this box. Put it away now. Job done. Right then. So we are now away from the 6s and they're back onto 8s. So we'll swap them over ready. Now obviously the fuel pump have got to go in here and they've got to go down that side, and this is a bit of a task. So first of all we'll get in. So there we have it. Right, so that's basically it, and then we're looking at putting the tank back on in, which we're going to thread him down through. And have a little look. So as you can see, there's the fuel pump in place. It's easier to do it with two screwdrivers. You can just basically line him up and then tighten him up very gentle. And now we'll fit the tank back on. We've put a little bit of a piece of rubber over there. That's slotted up into there nice. The bend is pretty good, and now we're going to try and start the bike. So this one works a little bit different. So last year it was chaffing slightly with there. So by putting that rubber block on here now, we shouldn't have no issues at all. So let's have a look if it'll start.